Okay, folks, let's talk about direct transfers. I know, it's a boring topic, right? But stick with me, because I'm going to tell you something you might not know. Direct transfers are a popular way to move money from one account to another. They're fast, convenient, and usually free. But how long do they actually take? Well, the answer to that question is a bit complicated. It depends on a number of factors, including the type of direct transfer you're doing, e.g., bank transfer, credit card transfer, debit card transfer. The banks involved. The time of day you initiate the transfer. The day of the week you initiate the transfer. Whether or not the recipient bank is open. Whether or not the recipient bank is in the same country as the sending bank. In general, though, you can expect a direct transfer to take anywhere from a few hours to a few days to clear. So, what's the best way to make sure your direct transfer goes through as quickly as possible? Here are a few tips. Initiate your transfer early in the day. This will give the banks more time to process it. Initiate your transfer on a weekday. Banks are typically closed on weekends, so your transfer will likely take longer to process if you initiate it on a Saturday or Sunday. Make sure the recipient bank is open. If the recipient bank is closed, your transfer will likely be delayed. Use the same bank for both the sender and the recipient. This can help to speed up the process. Avoid initiating transfers on holidays. Banks are typically closed on holidays, so your transfer will likely take longer to process if you initiate it on a holiday. If you're in a hurry to get your money, you can always use a faster payment method, such as a wire transfer or a credit card. However, these methods are typically more expensive than direct transfers. So, there you have it. The answer to the question how long does a direct transfer take is a bit complicated, but it's generally safe to say that it can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. By following the tips above, you can help to ensure that your direct transfer goes through as quickly as possible. And with that, I'll leave you. Thanks for watching, and until next time.